Okay, we have the roof structure now completed. It's been concreted, reinforced from the previous clips or videos you've seen. Now putting the techers on. Here we've got the water flow from here, so everything will be flowing into this corner down here, so we can run a down pipe down the outside instead of having the front of the property, which is down here, and put it at the back end. So yeah, we're ready to start waterproofing now. Getting this ready. We're ready to start tiling after this now. We've got two barriers. You can see there's a blue membrane, that's a waterproof membrane in, so we've tanked everywhere, completely all the way around the terrace and up and behind here. You can even see the blue behind there. And then we've leveled out some waterproofing cola just to give us a nice flat surface as well on top of that. Yeah, we're ready to go. Underneath here is Seeker 107 waterproofing barrier, and then we've got the blue one on, which is another barrier. So we've got two barriers under here really. Okay, we started getting the floor down and getting the levels yesterday, and happy where we are at the moment with that. Obviously you know about the waterproof, we've got two barriers, Dakota here, and then we have the Seeker 107 underneath. Tower's up now, roof's done. Well, it's concreted, ring beams in, as you can see all the way around from a previous video, and putting scratch coat, yeah, cement screed with some water barrier inside, and I put a layer here of cement cola, another waterproof barrier, and we started prepping the ceiling with the same, and then we'll finish off with yeso plaster. Once all that's done, we'll get the metal man in, and we're going to have a new platform for the top of these spiral staircases with a banister coming across here, and then there'll be a handrail spiraling upwards. But yeah, we're getting there now, slowly. Yeah, good, happy.